Hey guys, Chuck with Birch's Lawn Care, and today we're going to be looking at how to change out your drive cable on your Toro Turfmaster. Some people or parts may call it a traction cable. Either way, same cable. Don't take it to the shop. It's quick, it's easy. Save you some money doing it yourself. Check it out. Alright guys, so what we got is we need to get, we're changing out this cable, and here's the C, I think it's called a C something, I don't know. Anyway, this is easy. We got to pull this off. We got to remove this nut so we can get the cable out of here. The cable runs along, goes through this hole right here by the oil filter. I've already flipped up the deck. So the deck's already flipped up. It comes through the hole. This is the hole that's up by the oil filter there on the top side. It runs here. There is, hopefully you can see this, there's a plastic clip right here. Then it runs through. And here's the spring that I've already undone, but it just hooks in to that hole right there. So right now I'm just going to wrestle with getting this out, because I'm trying to do this without taking any of this other stuff apart. The only thing I've removed from the mower is the plastic flap. That right there, just the plastic flap that goes there. That's the only thing I've taken off so I can see up in here. So I'm going to wrestle with that for a minute. Hopefully I can figure out how to get that out without taking stuff apart. And then we can put the new cable on. It'll be easy.
Every night. And this year, there's free parking at the Kentucky Exposition Center. Free parking. Don't wait. Register for GIE Plus Expo October 16th through 18th at GIE-Expo.com. See you there.
So as you can see, all I did was I pried it out. So these would normally be like this, just a little detent, and there's just not a good way to get my hand back in here to squeeze these in. So I just took the pry and just pried it out. I mean, the cable broke already, so.
My favorite country station, Turf's Up Radio. Rocking the green industry. East Coast to West Coast, around the world. Rocks like Turf's Up Radio. Turf's Up Radio, your industry, your station.
That. That's where it broke inside the sheath. That goes over there. Oh. New cable. Maybe we could always do that. Open that up in there. That goes back on there. I'm not going to tighten it all the way down because we're still going to be adjusting it once everything's hooked up. Now we just take this, run it down the inside of the bars, under there, oops, under there, back through that hole. There, now we can go on the underside. So that's the little detent I was talking about. And we just need to get it right back into there. Here's a little opening in here. Hopefully that's focusing. You got that, and then we just put that in there, and then we can deal with the spring on the other end. So you just keep pushing, and it pushes right in. The little gap up here, you can use that to drop the wire in, so you can get because the spring will not fit through the hole, but it pops right in. Now we can do the spring. The spring just fits through that little hole like that, and see all the slack we have. We can pull the slack up here, and we'll grab this. Oh, wrong one. This, and that's how we pull the slack out of that. This and here. Oh my goodness. This is just a C, so it just goes in here. Maybe. Yeah. So you just slip it through until it comes out the other end like this, and that's what holds it into the bar. Now we want to see how loose that is. It's still giving us nothing, so now we just want to pull the tension and tighten up this. Which, oh no, that's right. Alright, so this right here, you just have to keep going on and off with it, and I could have used a socket and not tore the nut up so much, but it's just, I don't care. So now I've got the tension pretty good, not too tight, because you can make this so tight that you don't want it so tight that you're gonna fatigue during the day trying to hold this thing. So now we're gonna fire it up. I don't have any blades on, so I'm not cutting, but we're gonna fire it up and walk back and forth in the grass. Alright, don't be concerned about the smoke that came out of it. I forgot, and I left this thing sitting on its side all night. So, yeah. But I got to do an oil change and everything to it anyway, so I'm not concerned. You can see how the oil had shifted this way. That's why we're getting all that smoke out of the exhaust. But anyway, that's that's where we're at for a quick and easy. Make sure you have that cable in your truck. It's easy to go. You should have that cable in your truck as well, because you can fix that with a pair of pliers. I used those pliers, and wherever my handy dandy fix-all wrench is, that's all I use. So you can do that right in the field real quick if you had to. And yeah, so there you go. That's how you replace a cable on the drive cable on a Toro Turfmaster. Thanks for watching, guys.